Hi, Daniel Parsons. Excited to be with you. 28th of May, 2025. Recently, I found this company, Vital Health, and they have this product, which is nitric oxide. This product will help the absorption of all the nutrients that you give your body from your healthy diet and any other supplements that you use. Vital Health has a four principles that they are their philosophy. First, detox the body because you need to get rid of the bad before you nourish it. And then the second is restore the body. And then the third is nourish the body. And the fourth is awaken. And this nitric oxide product called V-Nitro will give you mental clarity. It helps your body oxygenation level. It's absolutely, I use this product for about 5 days now. You just simply make sure your eyedropper is secure, give it a good shake, then squeeze the eyedropper, and then under your tongue for 30 seconds. So now you can drink some water. And so, how do you get the Vital Health products? shop.vitalhealthglobal.com/heal with Daniel. You can also call me. We're open in Canada, United States, and Mexico. The USA warehouse is in Arizona. They ship quickly. My phone number, Pacific Time weekdays, 360-383-0265. This is an amazing product. Thank you very much. Bye for now.